Hello guys, what's up? In today's video I wanna show you that how to create an HD thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So let's begin. First of all you have to install an app. The app name is Pixlab. Now open Pixlab. Now you have to set image size. Click on the three dots on the above corner. Now select image size. Now click on image size. Now it's come custom, so I will choose for YouTube. Then I will click on the YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. So I select it. Now I will click on OK. Now it's so interface like this. Now you have to remove that writing from it. So click on this delete button. The writing will be disappear. Now you have to choose an color for the background. So click on this. Click on this. Now you are seeing the color button here. So click on the color. Now you have to choose which color do you like. I will choose this one. This one will be better. Now you have to write something or attach a photo to it. So I will write something that how to create Now I will choose the size for the text. Now it's pretty good. Now you have to change the fonts. Here it is. Now I will choose this one. Okay. I will increase its size further. You can see the size is increased. Now you have to give some stroke to it. I will click on the stroke and I will give a color to the stroke. Now it's looking pretty good. Now I will click on the shadow. I will choose a different color for shadow. This one I think should be. You should have to choose. I will choose this one. It's good. Now you have to write another thing below this. Then again press on the plus sign on the above corner and click on the text. Now click on the edit. Now I will write HD over there. HD. Now I will increase size. Okay, it's looking pretty good. HD. Now I will do some setting. First of all I will change fonts for it. I will choose this one for my video, for my thumbnail. Okay, now I will give some stroke. First of all I will change the color for it. I will choose color like no, it's okay. The yellow one is best, so I will choose the yellow color. Now I will give some stroke to it. Then I will increase stroke size. Then I will click on the shadow. I will open. Now I will change color over there. So which color is best? I will choose that one. Okay. So you are now. It's looking pretty good. It's how to create HD. Now I will again click on the plus sign and on the text. Then I will edit the text and I will write something else. Or I will write thumbnail. 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 Now I will do the same setting and I repeat that process. You have to choose the size. Which size do you want? It's okay. Now I will change the color. Guys, yellow color is looking pretty awesome. So I will choose. Now I will change fonts and I will use this one again. It's looking pretty much good. Now you can give a background to it. You can like this. It's is like, but I will. It's okay. Now I will give stroke to it. But I will choose this one. Now I will give shadow to it. Shadow. Yeah. Enable this one. It's looking pretty much. And I will give a background color to it as village. Choose background, enable this, and I will choose how is looking that one. This one is pretty good, and I will give background color to it as well. It looking awesome. Now if you wanna attach a picture or a photo, so you have to click again on the plus sign. Now click on the plus signs and then click on from gallery. So if you have a picture or photo, you can attach it over there. I have my photo here, so I will attach my photo. So this is my photo, so I will click on the OK. Now I will adjust my picture over there. You have to wait for it. Now it's my picture, so I will adjust it. Now it's my picture. So this was the method that how you can create your thumbnail for your YouTube videos. If you liked our video, then please like it and subscribe to our channel for more video like this. Now you have to export it to your gallery, then click on the three dots above in the above corner. Now click on the export image. Now I will click on that. So here you have to click on the save to gallery and your picture will be saved in the gallery. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel for more video like this. Thanks for watching.